What's up, guys? Prometheus here, and today I'll be doing my very first review. We're going to be reviewing the Bauer 3X, not to be confused with the 3X Pro. Looks like this. Obviously, if y'all haven't, you can see it on Hockey Monkey or Prettier.Hockey.com. I'm not going to get too far into the details because, yeah, you can find it anywhere. My first day skating in them, they were really comfortable. Had a slight, I would say, towards the mid of like just the puck shoot towards the bridge of your foot. I felt a little discomfort, but that slowly went away. And which was nice is that these skates, normally you would have to buy like wax laces and stuff. The skate that came with it, the laces, they're really well made, so I didn't really have to use the wax laces. These laces that came with it are not really wax, but they seem to hold up very well, and they didn't come loose at all. The only other situation I had was when I had problems with trying to get used to the skate. Previously, I've been using these right here, Bauer Supreme 140s. They're obviously the bottom barrel skates. I mean, I think they bought these for $70. They're not stiff at all. They're actually, you could move it like that. And yeah, these have seen some better days, so I decided to do the upgrade. Went with 3X because I like Bauer, but I didn't want to spend thousands of dollars on a skate. But yeah, this one is really stiff, so when I first got on the ice, I actually tied my skates like I would with the Bauer Supremes 140s, meaning I would put it extra tight, and come to realize that I couldn't do that because I had no movement in the feet, because the ankle locks really lock in your ankles real good inside. And yeah, so I had to kind of like remind myself not to tighten them as tight. Then after that, I did a pickup game in the morning, and I started feeling really comfortable with my edges. Before the puck shoot, I was kind of like trying to get used to everything, so I didn't really trust the edges as well as I would when I've been playing with my Supreme 140s. But you know, I kind of picked up speed and, you know, did tight stops and stuff like that, because that's the kind of player I like, to more agile, so that's what is pretty good. I didn't have any discomfort. I felt like I was more comfortable on the ice. The skate felt way better than when I first started. I haven't had them baked at all, so that was another thing. I was in the air about getting them baked or not, but they're so far so good. If you guys haven't already, you smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll keep y'all posted and keep reviewing the skate, because I didn't see too many skate reviews for the 3X. Found tons for the 3X Pro, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.